Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Skoda Roomster. The quirky Roomster is an unusual reworking of the MPV formula, but it's best thought of as a spacious, small family car. It has two full-size seats in the back with a slimmer seat in the middle. All three can be reclined, folded forward, or removed completely to turn the Roomster into a quasi-van. The middle seat can also be removed separately to give more shoulder room for those in the back. In addition, the booth is a decent size and shape. The Roomster is quite good to drive with light steering and a tight turning circle, making it ideal for urban streets. On faster roads, the ride can be a little valvy, but it absorbs bumps well and doesn't lean excessively through corners. Wind and road noises are kept in check most of the time, but can be heard at higher speeds. Skoda have worked hard to build a reputation for quality, and the Roomster feels part of the family. The cabin has a solid finish with a durable feel. Officially, the 1.2 liter petrol model manages 42.2 mpg on average. The 1.4 liter one 41.5 mpg, and the 1.6 liter 40.4 mpg. The lower power diesel manages 53.3 mpg, with the higher powered at 55.4 mpg. The 1.9 liter comes at 53.3 mpg. Servicing Roomster isn't particularly expensive, and Skoda dealers have a very good reputation for customers' satisfaction and service. The diesel Roomster are greenest because all models emit under 140 grams per kilometer of CO2. The petrol models range from 159 grams per kilometer to 185 grams per kilometer. Insurance is cheap, with the least powerful model starting at Group 2 rising to Group 5 for the 1.9 liter diesel. Depreciation will be your biggest cost while owning a Roomster, so make sure you don't pay over the odds in the first place. Car supermarkets are a good place to track down cut-price cars. Skodas are famous for their durability, and the Roomster appears no different so far. Leaky sunroofs have been reported, but this only covers models, and some clutches can give problems. Some owners complain about noisy Aircon systems, but this seems to be characteristic of the system and not a fault. Make sure a Roomster has been maintained properly and that the cam belt change has been carried out every 4 years, 60,000 miles, except on the 1.2 liter engine, which doesn't use a belt. There has been a recall for the Skoda concerning a problem with the curtain airbags. The Roomster's engine options are a mixed bag. The 1.2 liter petrol unit with 68 bhp is really too small for this type of car. The 1.4 petrol 85 bhp makes the most sense, but even then it's sluggish, needs to be worked hard, and can boom at motorway speeds. The 1.6 liter petrol engine with 105 bhp is quicker, but will cost you more to run and isn't that common on the used market. The diesel options are necessarily better. The 1.4 liter comes with either 69 bhp or 79 bhp, and the 1.9 liter with 103 bhp, best if you intend to load your Roomster up to the gun whales. Originally, Roomster trims were designated 1, 2, 3 and Scout, but in early 2009 the range was overhauled so that only 3 models remained: S, SE, and Scout. All Roomsters come with front electric windows, a CD player, MP3 player input, but mid-spec 2 or S cars have alloys and Aircon, and 3 SE trims has cruise control and parking sensors. The Scout comes with a different body kit, making it look like a baby off-roader, but is equipped similarly to an SE. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.